I'm Michelle Pauvert, your digital product coach and life-first business strategist, helping you grow a profitable and successful digital product business that fits around your real life too. In this video, we're going to be diving into how to run a flash sale. These are some of my absolute favorite ways to bring a bit of extra cash into your business and make use of these amazing digital products you've created. We're going to get really meta here. I'm going to actually use a digital product I sell in my shop, the Flash Sale Toolkit, to show you how I put together a flash sale and give you an idea of how you can put together your next flash sale, perhaps for Black Friday. So inside my planner, we have this section here where we're planning the Black Friday sale. So where we're planning our flash sales. So first up, you want to decide what offer are you actually including in this flash sale? What are you selling during this sale? So again, to be really meta, I'll make this sale for my flash sale toolkit, which is actually on sale today if you happen to be watching this live when this video goes out. But this is basically a flash sale of one product for a super specific, super short amount of time with a really juicy discount. So regularly, this flash sale toolkit is 97 euros, but I want to offer a 50% discount for anybody who purchases during the promotional period. So that brings it down to 48 euros 50. I did the math ahead of time, even though I know that's easy. I always want to double check my maths. You can add bonuses during a flash sale if you want, but they're definitely not required. I sort of play with maybe I like adding a bonus or not, but for a short flash sale like this, it feels really good to just offer a super juicy discount. So how many days do you want that flash sale to run for? Typically, these do best when they run for about 2 to 5 days. I've decided on 3 days. I like running my sales kind of in the middle of the week when I know business owners are typically kind of looking at their emails. So I've decided to run this from November 12th to 14th with the idea that we can run a Black Friday flash sale as a way to put it back, knowing that we can run I've picked the dates November 12th to 14th because I wanted to put this offer out there to my audience before Black Friday in case they're still looking for a way to put together their own Black Friday sale and need a little help. And this toolkit is actually perfect for putting together not just flash sales, but also your Black Friday promotion as well. So for me, when I'm filling this out, I only want to be promoting this to my email list. I'm actually on what I call a social media sabbatical. I'm not on social media right now, so I'm going to be just promoting this to my email list, and I'm going to let my affiliates know that it is available, and then I'll probably add on my website some pop-ups and an announcement bar to let people know who come to the website that there is a flash sale on this product. Included in the planner are also some goal setting questions. This is really great if giving yourself that kind of aspirational view of how you want the flash sale to go can really set you like the motivation to get going. So this is a really nice place to work through that inside the planner. I'm going to jump ahead and show you what we've done by filling in this planner. So inside the flash sale toolkit, we actually have these really cool automatically generating copy templates. These templates are actually filled in when you fill in that planner I was just showing you previously. So now I filled that in, we can actually go ahead and look at the sales page copy template, and it will be pulling the information we just put in that planner into these copy templates that I can basically just copy paste into my email list and send as is. So there we go. We can see I've got my sale dates, I've got my discount, what it's being sold, how much it is, how long they've got. And this is all filled in for you. It is a bit of a bare bones template because I really like leaving you space for a little bit of, your personality. But these are all the pieces you're going to need to put together the emails. And we've got 5 emails here that you can send out. That may sound like a lot, but I really encourage you to not be shy to promote your flash sale with your email list when it's going on. So we've got 1 email to tease your sale, 1 to actually announce that it's live. Then we've got some like, why are we selling this? What is the kind of point of this offer? What are we excited about? We've got 1 that's a kind of going soon and FAQs combined. So we want to make sure people know the deal's almost over and here's what you need to know. And then 1 last chance email. You don't have to email all of these out, but I really like having all those options available. So I know some of us love having our affiliates be part of our promotions, and that's why I also included in the flash sale toolkit some emails for you to actually send to your affiliates, and these also pull from that planner with all the details about your sale. So this will update whenever you change the sale you're promoting. So these are really nice to just send over to your affiliates so they know what's going to be promoted and so that they can also make a commission on that flash sale. You'll also find some social graphic templates, and I've even included some templates for one of my favorite tools, which is ConvertBox. This adds little pop-ups to your website for all sorts of things. I really use this so much, but these ones in particular include a countdown timer. This goes at the top of either your whole website or just the sales page, having a countdown timer of like how long your flash sale still has left. You can even include a link to the flash sale page, or if it's on the flash sale page, you can just use this for the countdown timer. And then a pop-up as well to say like, hey, don't forget you can save this during the flash sale on the website as well. And then one of the more helpful practical pieces of the flash sale toolkit, and this is a really important part of running your flash sale in general, is to have a really good process for making sure you've got all the pieces done and in place before your flash sale goes live. So here we have like a big old list of all the different things you're going to need to put together, all the things you need to have ready for your flash sale. And again, most of these are taken care of by using the planner itself. But here we've got things like picking your product, your date, your price, setting up your coupon code, writing those emails, which you've done with that copy generator if you got the toolkit, sharing with affiliates, creating the flash sale graphics, scheduling your emails, scheduling in any promotions elsewhere. And then after the sale, it's also got reminders for things like updating your pricing if you changed that, removing coupon codes, removing your announcement bar, and even sharing like a post-sale debrief if that's something you like to do in your business. So when you're ready to set up your flash sale, I would definitely encourage you to come check out the flash sale toolkit. But regardless, I'd really encourage you to prepare ahead, get all your ducks in a row before the flash sale is going to go live, and challenge yourself to keep this simple. Flash sales are such a great way to get used to selling, to get excited about selling, and make a really juicy offer to your audience. Again, you can run a flash sale any time of year. It really doesn't have to be any specific reason you run a flash sale, but I particularly love running them during big sales periods like back to school, Black Friday, your business birthday, or even your own birthday if you like to celebrate it in your business. And these are systems that you can reuse over and over again, particularly the flash sale toolkit. Everything in here is adaptable, adjustable, so you can really use this over and over again. So if you'd like to check that out, I've put a link below. And regardless, if you are going to run a flash sale anytime soon, I would love to hear about it. And if you do grab the flash sale toolkit, you actually can get an invite to my client student only group, Chez Michelle. And when you join, you actually get to promote your flash sale inside my community too. So I can actually help spread the word about your flash sale too and get you some more visibility for that amazing promotion. So I hope this has been helpful and interesting to see how I set up my flash sales, how the flash sale toolkit runs, and basically how you can put together your own flash sale. If you want to have more videos like this in the future, make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what else you'd like me to show you inside my business or anything else I can share to help you grow a successful, sustainable digital product business.